Are you facing the could not complete backup error on WhatsApp chats on your iPhone? This issue often arises due to network problems, iCloud sync issues, or insufficient storage. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the could not complete backup error on WhatsApp step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough space in iCloud. Free up the space if you see your iCloud storage is full. After checking iCloud storage, now go back. Tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove, then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap Delete App again. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up Settings, then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi, password, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And this is how you can solve the could not complete backup error on WhatsApp chats on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.